can consume, and the rest of 1.5 liters should go in the form of liquids like juice आप लेते हैं, you take fruits, even fruits have juices and all. The liquid diet that you are taking, सब्जियां आप खाते हैं, vegetables you eat, the liquid दाल आप लेते हैं. So in that case, that is also counted the liquid intake, right? So don't really think that अच्छा मेरे weight के हिसाब से I'm supposed to take 4 liters of water, मुझे आज 4 लीटर पानी पीना है. Don't be in that conscious level, please understand. So you can 60-40 is what you can distribute. 60% water you can take and 40% should be in the form of other diet that you are taking. So start with it. And also we say, please don't drink excessive water, because as you age, that excessive water will put pressure on your kidneys. So that is also one thing that you have to remember. फिर बात करते हैं green tea की. Please take green tea. A lot of people say, green tea. Please understand, once you start taking, देखिए दवाइयाँ कड़वी होती हैं, but वो फायदा करती है. So once you start taking green tea, initially you may not like the taste, but later on you'll get used to it. So start consuming green tea. Stop your normal tea that with milk and all that you take. My suggestion is you can stop slowly. There was a time when I used to take, मेरा bed tea अगर मेरे bed पर ना आए, मेरी आंखें खुले, there should be bed tea on my bed, then only I used to wake up. एक समय ऐसा भी था. और दिन में शायद because due to office and all, I used to take even 8 teas, 10 teas with those milk teas that I'm talking of. आज की डेट में I just don't drink this tea at all. कभी कभी मन करता है समोसे खाए, cheat day is there, right? Then you can enjoy that once a while. But shift to green tea. Herbal tea you need not have to buy from market. You can make spice tea at your home itself. आप herbal tea बनाइए, like for example, you can add cumins, you can add cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, tulsi leaves. These kind of things you can add to it, boil it, and you can keep changing, like किसी दिन cardamom, as per your own taste, keep changing it. Boil it for 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, right? इसी का एक version काढ़ा भी हो जाता है when we add some other things also into it. And you can add a little bit of jaggery. Jaggery will help you. Diabetes, maybe I am saying, please add a little bit of jaggery. That will help you a lot. And drink it. You can consume this herbal tea 2 to 3 times a day. इस तरह का जो herbal tea है, आप दिन में 3 से 4 बार आराम से पी सकते हैं, right? And one more thing, थोड़ी सी कड़वी है, but please take it. Neem leaves. Try to get them. अभी तो lockdown है. What to suggest, what not to suggest. But in general, if you can take neem leaves every day, अगर आप normal कच्चा भी चबा लें सुबह सुबह, nothing like it. Otherwise, you can make a juice and थोड़ा सा, maybe 1/4 of small cup. If you can just drink that every day, that's going to be very, very good for you. नीम का जूस आपके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद होने वाला है. So please do that. अगर हम liquids की बात करते हैं, then let us go to your other diets. Please increase the nuts into your diet without fail. है ना? Add all the nuts, almonds and the other kinds of nuts. Please add. बाकी जो dry fruits हैं उनको आप add करना शुरू कर दीजिए. Some people say कि नहीं, raisins वो तो मीठे होते हैं, so I should not be eating. See, here again I'll tell you, if you take 3 to 4 everyday raisins in your diet, that will help you, because insulin की तो जरूरत होती है ना. It's not that you can completely cut. All right, so do that. Then if I talk about vegetables and all, please add tomatoes. You should add cucumber on a regular basis. Carrots, टमाटर, कच्चा टमाटर अगर आप खाते हैं बहुत अच्छा है आपके लिए, like a salad and all. Add carrot, broccolis, cauliflower, spinach, पालक जो होता है, add this regular basis पे. हर हफ्ते आपको ये सब्जियां खाते रहना चाहिए if you really want a result, good result, right? See, when we do therapies and all, we talk about reversal therapies of diabetes and all, right? So please do that. फलों में orange, very good for you. संतरा खाइए. ग्रेप फ्रूट्स जो अंगूर होते हैं, प्लीज जो खटास वाले चीजें होते हैं, यू प्लीज टेक दैट. देन लेमन, कंजम्पशन ऑफ लेमन इज वेरी गुड. एंड बेरीज, प्लीज ऐड देम. इसके अलावा वाटरमेलन, यू मस्ट टेक वाटरमेलन एंड ऑल, एंड मस्क मेलन आल्सो. दोज विल रियली हेल्प यू, राइट? सो प्लीज टेक दैट. एंड स्वीट लाइम, अगेन व्हेन आई एम सेइंग स्वीट लाइम, व्हाट शुड यू ऐड टू इट? So as I told you earlier, that jaggery you can add, or brown sugar थोड़ा बहुत आप add कर सकते हैं, और honey. If you can take honey lemon, nothing like it. I have been telling from the day one. Honey lemon की बात मैं पहले दिन से करती आ रही हूँ. Please take that, right? Because all these things that I told you about the fruits, they have the proper natural insulin in them, right? So that is how it is. So just take care of your diet. थोड़ा बहुत मुझे आपसे बात करनी थी, so I did it today. I mean, for the past 15 days, we have been doing pranayamas and all. So let me tell you, especially for diabetes, अगर आप केवल डायबिटीज पे फोकस करना चाहते हैं, so which are the pranayamas that you should do? हमने किया नाड़ी शुद्धि, so नाड़ी शुद्धि pranayama, that is अनुलोम विलोम and नाड़ी शुद्धि, both these pranayamas will help you a lot for your diabetes. नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम और अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम आप लगातार करते रहें, और साथ में कपालभाति, ठीक है, कपालभाति प्राणायाम आप करें। और कपालभाति के बेसिकली 3 वर्जन्स होते हैं, जिसमें से मुझे सिर्फ एक वर्जन का प्रैक्टिस किया यहाँ पे, बिकॉज द अदर 2 नीड्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस एंड गाइडेंस, यू नो। हम कहते हैं वतकर्मा, then we talk about Vyutakarma and Shitakarma. There are 3 types of Kapalabhati that we do, right? Which all the 3 are very, very good for diabetes. So you should be practicing them, but for the time being, only normal Kapalabhati that we have been doing, you should do that. वही आप करते रहिए। लेकिन फिर से मैंने कहा, अगर डायबिटीज के साथ साथ आपको बहुत सारी एसिडिटी की प्रॉब्लम है, then you can avoid Kapalabhati for a longer hours, but you should practice. Okay? फिर थोड़ी सी मेडिटेशन की बात की जाए। Which meditation you should be doing? I mean, people get very confused with this concept of meditation. उनको जहां हम ध्यान की बात करते हैं, meditation की बात करते हैं, they really get confused a lot. So, देखिए, meditation is nothing but concentrate on something. अभी भी तो आप meditate कर रहे हैं, because you're listening to me very carefully, concentratively. That is also your meditation. So basically, there are 3 important meditation that you should be following. 3 तरह के meditation है जो आपको लगातार करते रहने चाहिए। जैसे आप खाना खाते हैं, खाना खाना नहीं छोड़ते हैं, उसी तरह ये मेडिटेशन करते रहिए। डायबिटीज आपकी धीरे 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 बहुत कंट्रोल में आ जाएगी, और फिर आप इसे कंप्लीटली खत्म भी कर सकते हैं। ट्रस्ट मी, दिस कैन बी कंप्लीटली रिवर्स्ड। ओके, सो चक्रा मेडिटेशन। चक्रा मेडिटेशन इज वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर योर डायबिटीज। कैसे करना है? You know, we could not do this during these complete sessions of complete chakra healing sessions and all, because that takes around 40-45 minutes alone to do that. ठीक है? So chakra meditation, mindful meditation का मतलब होता है कि जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, आपका concentration completely उसी पे रहे. You should be aware, focused awareness meditation. तो ये मैंने आपको कराया है, because when I have been speaking, concentrate on that. आप सोचिए कि आप, you know, you are in the garden, or you are climbing the mountain, or you are in the sky. So you're just focusing, you're concentrating. So this will help you a lot to reverse your diabetes or control your diabetes. ठीक है? फिर थोड़ी सी बात मुद्रा की करते हैं, which you should be doing. See, mudras again we have been doing ज्ञान मुद्रा. ये मुद्रा बहुत important है. ज्ञान मुद्रा is the best mudra to distress yourself, to you know, relieve your stress, your anxiety, and to get calm. इस समय बहुत जरूरत है इस मुद्रा की. This is what your ज्ञान मुद्रा is. Just joining your first finger and thumb. इसे ज्ञान मुद्रा कहते हैं, डांस की भाषा में चिन्ह मुद्रा कहा जाता है, बट एनीवे दिस इज योर ज्ञान मुद्रा. ये आपको सारा ज्ञान देगी, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. इट विल मेक यू काम, राइट? सो दैट इज द रीजन यू हैव सीन ऑल दी you know, deities when you go to deities and all into temples anywhere, so they sit in this position, right, in this pose. Then talking about prana mudra. See, prana mudra is again very very important, guys. You must be doing that. prana mudra क्या होती है? लास्ट की दो उंगलियां हैं आपकी, सबसे छोटी वाली, the last finger, little finger, and your ring finger. आपकी ring finger और लास्ट की छोटी फिंगर को ज्वाइन करना है with your thumb. That's it. और बाकी दोनों सीधी रहेंगी. The rest 2 fingers should be straight. So this is your prana mudra, right? You can just do it. This is your prana mudra, like this. A little bit of this is your prana mudra. आपको energy, it will increase the energy level to the great extent. आपका strength बढ़ाएगा. This will be making you strong, and self confidence will boost like anything. Because you know, when you do diabetes diet and all, you get, नहीं मुझे ये नहीं खाना है. So that self confidence will come with this. So keep practicing this prana mudra. is very very important. पहले मैंने आपको बताया FASE, water. So ये water है, ये earth है. These are the 2 things that you are taking. These are main. जल ही जीवन है. So these are your pranas, and you are using this. Thumb के बिना तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, right? So this mudra, and then shivling mudra. Especially for diabetes, shivling mudra बहुत आसान है. shivling mudra के लिए you have to make your left hand like this. ऐसे रखना है थोड़ा चेस्ट के पास, but just now I'm showing you straight, and make like this. ऐसे बनाइए इस तरह से. Can you see this? Just join all the, you know, tips of your fingers at the middle base of your palm, and this thumb should be completely straight. और इसको ऐसे लाके आपको रखना है, और फिर थोड़ा सा palm को fold करना है इस तरह से. You can just bend your palm as if this is a shivling, and put it like this near your chest. ऐसे आप रख सकते हैं, and you should be concentrating on this, and if you can chant Om along with it. If do this, this is going to be great, guys. So शिवलिंग, these are the 3 mudras that I told you for diabetes. ठीक है, अब बात करते हैं आसनास की जो हम आज करेंगे. So और let us start with simple ones. You know, I will start with simple ones. इसमें से कुछ हमने पहले भी किए हैं, we have already done. Again, I'm talking about आज का दिन dedicated है diabetes के लिए. So Balasana, one of the best asanas, because see, we have to see our age also. The people, different age group they are. Young people can do the others also. There are many more, but here I'm covering only a few ones, looking at the overall age group with us, right? And the simple ones, even the beginners, they should also, they cannot jump to the high level, advanced level asanas. All right. So Balasana, कैसे करना है वो आपको मैं दिखाऊंगी. Then Vajrasana, very good asana for your, you know, digestion. So I suggest whenever you eat, जब भी आप कोई भी खाना खाते हैं, this is a common advice to everyone. Whenever you eat anything, after that, if you can sit down in Vajrasana for 5 minutes also, it is going to help you magically, right? Certainly it is going to help you magically. जैसे मुद्रास होती हैं, मुद्रास alone, if you are not doing asanas and all, थोड़ा time लगता है, but मुद्रास alone can actually help you to get rid of hundreds of diseases, right? So वज्रासना की बात मैंने करी. फिर अर्ध मत्स्येंद्र आसना. देखिए अर्ध मत्स्येंद्र आसना कैसे बनाना है, that also I'll tell you, but this is मत्स्येंद्र आसना की हम बात कर रहे हैं. It is basically fish से ही आया है. So basically this will also I show. Let us go quickly. अधोमुख श्वान आसना. श्वान आसना पहले दिन मैंने आपको second और third day मैंने करके दिखाया था. So अधोमुख, आधा मुख बस दिखाते हुए. श्वान meaning हम कुत्ते की बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about dog. So dog pose is what we'll be doing it, and this is going to help you. Then vrikshasana, tree pose. ये प्रैक्टिस करिए. So you can choose on your own which you are comfortable at. You should be doing it. फिर सुप्त मत्स्येंद्र आसना, मतलब मछली वाली पोज आपको दिखानी है, तो I'll show you that also. सुप्त मत्स्येंद्र आसना बहुत आसान है. You all will love it. आपको सोना है, एक पैर हम कई बार ऐसे करके सो जाते हैं ना, एक तरफ किया और ऐसे किया बड़े आसानी से बच्चों की तरह. So that is a very good pose and you can do whenever you lie. You don't need extra time for it. आपको अलग से समय नहीं चाहिए. जब भी आप रेस्ट करते हो, लेटे हो, पोज बना लीजिए. Because this will not, affect you negatively at all. So you can do this. सर्वांगासना थोड़ा एडवांस लेवल पे हो जाता है. I'll show you that also today. But later on, you can actually practice later on. I say maybe 3 months, 4 months. जब आपको लगे कि आप उस लेवल पे पहुंच गए हैं, then only you should do this. So सर्वांगासना, then हलासना, again advanced level है. You just turn your body entirely and take your legs back. Then धनुरासना, ये थोड़े एडवांस लेवल के हैं. एंड फाइनली शवासना, जो हर कोई कर सकता है. एवरी डे यू शुड बी डूइंग शवासना. सो इनिशियल वंस, सिंपल वंस एंड शवासना एवरी डे यू प्रैक्टिस, योर डायबिटीज विल बी कंट्रोल. आपकी डायबिटीज कंट्रोल होगी. शवासना डेली करिए. और शवासना कम से कम 10 से 15 मिनट किया जाए, वेरी गुड. यू विल फील लाइक स्लीपिंग, नो प्रॉब्लम. आफ्टर दैट वेक अप, टेक अ हर्बल टी और ग्रीन टी एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग. ठीक है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट क्विकली. शुरू करते हैं आज का दिन. So I request every one of you to get up. Please stand. Okay. और चलिए इसी ऑर्डर में मैं आपसे कराती हूँ. पहले खड़े हुए कुछ आसना कराएंगे, फिर बैठे हुए I will show you what we have discussed today. आज हमने जिन आसनास की बात की है, हम उन्हीं आसना पे फोकस करेंगे आज, डायबिटीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए. तो देखते हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Earlier also I told you, बट उसके पहले थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज बनता है, हल्का फुल्का अपने आप को वार्म अप करने के लिए. सो कैन यू क्विकली डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ जॉगिंग विद मी? क्या आप सब मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा जॉगिंग कर सकते हैं? पीपल सिटिंग ऑन द चेयर, जो अपनी चेयर पे बैठे हैं, कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं, वो वहीं बैठे अपने पैरों को उठाएं और हाथों को उठाएं. राइट. द रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल प्लीज स्टार्ट डूइंग द vrikshasana, the jogging with me. Let's start, guys. Come on. And breathing and inhaling will happen continuously. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. पैर ऊपर जाने चाहिए, जंप लगना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा पेन होना चाहिए. आसानी से जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं मिलता है. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Relax. Relax. Whenever you do anything, I told you, you should relax after that. है ना? आराम से करना है. We should not be jerking our body. Body को jerk नहीं करना है. Okay. After this, can we quickly do the chest opening? The chest opening, that's very important. important before we do anything else. चलिए हाथों को सामने करिए, spread your hands in front. Deep breath in, लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए. Again, inhale deeply, exhale, and now spread. Inhale करते हुए spread करेंगे. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए आप पीछे लेके जाएंगे अपने हाथों को, और उसके बाद सांस छोड़ते हुए सामने आएंगे. So inhale and open your arms quickly. Great. Exhale, come front. Inhale, back. Exhale. देखिए जितना पीछे लेके जा सके उतना अच्छा है. Then only the chest will be opening. Pressure will be there on chest and lungs. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. This I told you because we have been doing for the past 15 days. आज हमने थोड़ा fast किया है. The idea was that you'll be inhaling, stopping, you'll hold your breath, and then you'll come front, right? So you will be practicing accordingly. Okay, guys? Chale. Now let us begin with Vrikshasana. Now to make this pose, people who are beginners, they will not be able to hold, so they can always take the support of the wall. वो हमेशा wall का support ले सकते हैं. They can take the support of the wall, right? Like this. Okay? And then what they should do is with the support, they can lift. मैं उनको बता रही हूँ जिनको support लेके करना है. They can lift their leg, अपना पैर उठाएं और यहाँ लगा लें. ठीक है? At your thigh. जो जितना तक लेके जा सकते हैं वो भी कर सकते हैं. You can also put it here, near your knees. calf से थोड़ा ऊपर. If you can do it here, very good, because with the support you will be able to do it. फिर एक लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए हाथों को ऊपर लेना है. You'll be inhaling deeply and take your hands up and join the palms. ऊपर हाथों को इस तरह से जोड़ लेना है, ठीक है? Like this, and be in this position. And now you should be exhaling and inhaling and be in the same pose. जब आप सांस लेते हैं तो ये पूरा हिस्सा ऊपर तक उठना चाहिए, ठीक है? वो पता लगना चाहिए कि आप ऊपर सांस खींच रहे हैं. You are actually inhaling deeply and going up. So you should actually feel that the pull should be there in your chest, in your lungs, and all, in stomach also. And hands go a little bit up. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So people can take. The rest of the people can do without any support, right? Like this. Simply, आप ऐसे उठाएंगे. आपको जरूरत भी नहीं है ये उठाने की. Okay? So this is how you should be making, and same should be done with the left. You have to complete the cycle. Like this, and again up and do. And जैसे मैंने कहा, people who are not able to do, they can take the help of the wall. You know, they can always take support of the wall, and they should do. ये 4 to 5 minutes continuously आप कर सकते हैं. This is going to help you a lot. Vrikshasana will balance you, do everything, and it'll be very, very good. ऐसे आपको बनाना है Vrikshasana. It's a tree pose. Hands up, joining, और सांस लेते रहना है, छोड़ना है, लेते रहना है, छोड़ना है. Like this, you should be practicing. Okay, so hope I'm clear with this Vrikshasana when you all were doing. Okay, now standing pose में normally I talk about this asana only to very helpful for diabetes. Along with this, you can also do one thing, the Tadasana that I have been doing, that is going to help you every day. हर चीज के लिए Tadasana आपको help करेगा. So Tadasana we have been doing like a mountain pose every day. I have been teaching you, taking your hands up, पैरों को ऊपर उठाते हुए, and then you'll be doing, right? So I have been making you practice this every day. And inhale, exhale. नीचे आके फिर inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, एक्सहेल डाउन. सो सारे डायबिटीज वाले सुन लें, ये 2 आसनास खड़े पोज में बहुत जरूरी हैं. यू कैन एक्चुअली डू देम, राइट? ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम सिटिंग पोजेस. बैठ जाइए, आराम से बैठ जाइए. राइट, sit down, all of you. You all can sit. So sitting poses, as I told you, Vajrasana. I've already taught you this. You know, in one of the days, I remember I taught you Vajrasana is nothing but kneel down hona hai aapko. You have to just kneel down. Okay. उसके बाद it's better that you make V shape, joining your toes. ठीक है? अपने अंगूठों को जोड़ते हुए V pose बनाइए, and your heel should be like this. ये आपके heels है मानिए, तो heel should be like this. Okay? And then you can rest on your heel. तो ये pose अच्छे से बनेगी आपकी. You can rest on your heel like this. This is what your Vajrasana is, and your hands should be on your thighs. You know, your palm should be touching your thighs. आपकी जो हथेलियां है वो आपके जांघों के ऊपर रखी होनी चाहिए. Touch. The energy should, you know, transfer from here to here and be rotating in your entire body. So that is the reason you should be doing. इसलिए ये हाथों को आपको यहाँ जांघ पर रखना है, वज्रासन में बैठना है. This pose will be difficult for the people who are suffering from arthritis or knee pains, severe knee pains. So they should avoid this. Okay, you can sit like this and inhale. अब ऐसे आप बैठेंगे जैसे मैंने आपको बताया. You should be sitting in like this position, and let me just sit here. Yeah. Okay, and inhale. ऐसे हाथों को रखना है, and they can join. इनको don't keep any you know, distance. Don't separate them. They should be joined. This would be the right way of making this pose. And inhale. You can close your eyes and you should focus on your breaths. So when you do this, this is also meditation, guys. When you focus, this is focus meditation. When you focus on your breath, अपनी सांसों पर लगातार ध्यान लगाए रखें. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. और ऐसा कुछ सोचिए जब आप इनहेल कर रहे हैं तो नीम के पत्तों की कड़वाहट, you know, अंदर इनहेल करें. You are inhaling that bitterness of those neem leaves and exhaling the sweetness, you know, which is not good for your diabetes. So do that. And one more tip here, please don't make this asana on a mat or on your yoga mat, because you might hurt initially, especially the people who are, you know, who have age and all, old people. So they should do this on a mattress. Okay? All right. So this is Vajrasana. You should be doing बैठा हुआ. उसके बाद बात करते हैं अर्धमते सेंद्रासना. ध्यान से देखिएगा. Very good asana और बहुत simple है. I'm just focusing on all the simple asanas. Just sit like this. ऐसे पैर को करिए. एक पैर इसको आप यहाँ ले आइए. Just bring it little on the right side. Left leg please fold from your knee and bring it to the right side. Okay, so that you just rest your buttock on a heel here, right? And then right पैर को लेके left की तरफ लेके आइए. क्रॉस करिए. मैं फिर से दिखाती हूँ. पहले आपको ये पैर लेके जाना है ऐसे जैसे हम पालथी मारते हैं. The way we sit in the cross-legged position, left leg should come there. Then hold your right leg very gently and take it to the left side. है ना? Take it to the left side, very close to your upper portion of your thigh, near your waist. ऐसे रखिए. After that, left hand just put on the ground. The palm should touch the ground. ऐसे रखिए हाथ को. And this hand you can do two things. या तो आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं. Your versions, so जो आपको comfortable लगे. Either you can take this hand and hold your ankle, जो पैर आपने मोड़ा हुआ है, or you can hold with this, like this. कई सारे वर्जन्स हैं, so don't see कि नहीं उसमें तो ऐसे दिखाया है कि एंकल को पकड़े, यहाँ पकड़े. प्लीज डोंट बॉदर. द क्रॉस लेग जिस तरह से हम बैठे हैं, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू कैन रेस्ट योर आर्म, योर पाम ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, और ये हाथ को ऐसे ऐसे करना है आपको और ऐसे देखना है. जस्ट टेक योर राइट हैंड अप लाइक दिस or this, either way. So just face it, face your palm, and which side your palm is, you can see opposite, or you can even do like this. ठीक है? Neck the other side. कोशिश करिए बनाने की. चलिए एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. Just फोल्ड, पैर को नीचे लेके आइए पालथी मारने की तरह, दूसरे पैर को ऊपर से लेके जाइए धीरे से, एंड मेक श्योर दैट इट टचेस द लेफ्ट थाई, योर एंकल शुड टच योर लेफ्ट थाई, स्पाइन शुड बी स्ट्रेट, आपकी कमर सीधी होनी चाहिए. द अदर वर्जन यू कैन होल्ड दिस, चलेगा, यू कैन डू दिस, चलेगा, राइट. कोई लेफ्ट राइट का पंगा नहीं है यहाँ पे, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. और यू कैन पुट योर हैंड, रेस्टिंग के लिए बनाया गया है, पोजेस में वेरिएशंस होते हैं सिर्फ आपको कंफर्ट लेवल देने के लिए, बिकॉज द मेन थिंग इज दिस, द वे यू आर फोल्डिंग. सो दिस इज हाउ योर प्राणिक एनर्जी विल ट्रैवल. आपकी जो बॉडी में आपकी जो सोल एनर्जी है वो ऐसे ही ट्रैवल करेगी. दिस इज हाउ द प्राणिक एनर्जी विल ट्रैवल इन योर बॉडी इन द सेम फॉर्म, बिकॉज वो अंदर से जाती है. सो इट विल बी ट्रैवलिंग लाइक दिस, ओके, एंड यू कैन जस्ट डू इट लाइक दिस, either like this or like this, either way. And once you come in this pose, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Everyone can try this sitting on their bed. Okay, the people who are like sitting on chairs and all, they can try this on their bed with a little strong mattress. Okay, so this is your Ardha Matsyendrasana. अब श्वान आसना की हम बात करते हैं, which I told you earlier also. Dog pose है, very simple. Everyone knows this. बस ध्यान रहेगा आपको. Kneel down. फिर आपको ऐसे होना है. You have to rest, hold the palms in front. और थोड़ा आगे जाना है. आधा, हम पूरी बात नहीं करें, आधा मतलब आधा. So you can do like this also. You can rest your, on your elbows if you cannot hold like this, और ऐसे. अब सांसें लेते रहना है, लंबी गहरी, और छोड़ते रहना है. इमेजिन करिए जैसे कि श्वान होता है, कुत्ता होता है, वो किस तरह से आधी पोज बनाता है, आधी पोज बनाता है ना, मोड़ा हुआ आधी पोज बनाता है. सो इस तरह से, राइट. एंड इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल, इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल, दैट कीप ऑन डूइंग कंटिन्यूअसली. फिर बात करते हैं बहुत अच्छा आसना, दैट इज बालासना. यू ऑल विल लव इट. बहुत सिंपल है ना. बालासना यू कैन डू अगेन सिटिंग ऑन द वज्रासना. People who cannot sit in Vajrasana, they can actually sit normally, comfortably, the way they want. Little variation, right? कोई चीज आपको खानी है, डॉक्टर ने कहा घी नहीं खाना है, तो घी के बिना खाइए आप, ठीक है. So that is what I mean here. So if you are not able to sit in Vajrasana, you can sit normal cross-legged position, okay? And then you can just take your hands up, inhale deeply. ये पहले मैंने आपको कराया है in one of the 15 days, okay? Inhale deeply and go front and exhale like this. So when you do this pose, look at me, people who are sitting in the cross-legged position, when you do this pose, जब आप ये करते हैं तो आप उठ जाएंगे ऐसे. The back portion will be up the ground इस तरह से. Who cannot make Vajrasana, but otherwise I would suggest to do this in Vajrasana. So Vajrasana में क्या करना है? You will be sitting in Vajrasana and बच्चे की तरह से, just like a child pose, बालासना, बच्चे की तरह से आगे जाना है. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़ते हुए आगे जाएंगे like this. And again, when you do this, upper portion will go up. फिर धीरे से हाथ को एडजस्ट करते हुए पीछे आएंगे. Inhale. Right? Inhale and exhale. And hold this pose. The energy will travel in the same way, in the same pose. So hold this pose like this. Or imagine kariye you are a child. That is very important. Your brain has to, sync with your thoughts, your action, whatever you're doing. लंबी सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. सांस लेनी है और छोड़ते रहना है. इस तरह से आपको बालासना करना है. This will help you a lot. So you can see, you can decide आपको क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. So this is your बालासना. बाकी कुछ और है, जैसे सुप्त मत्स्येंद्रासना मैंने आपको बताया सिंपलेस्ट है, सिंपलेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. आपको लेट जाना है. नॉर्मली जस्ट फोकस, ध्यान से देखिए, लेट जाना है. एंड एक पैर को या तो इस पैर को ऐसे या इस पैर को ऐसे. कई बार हम लेटते हैं ना, और इस तरह से जैसे कंफर्टेबल पोज हो, एक पैर को ऊपर लेके जाना है. वन लेग जस्ट क्रॉस, लेफ्ट सीधा रखिए, राइट को क्रॉस कर लीजिए. थोड़ा सा बॉडी को ट्विस्ट करिए एंड रिलीज योर हैंड्स नॉर्मली. रेस्ट और सांसों पर ध्यान रखिए, रिलैक्स. सांसों पर ध्यान रखिए और रिलैक्स. राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट सुप्त. सुप्त का मतलब होता है सोना. राइट. सुप्त का मतलब होता है सोना. तो सोते सोते मत्स्येंद्र पोज बनाना है. देन a few more are there which I can simply show you for the later version. वो आप अभी नहीं करेंगे. That is Setubandhasana you will do, or you can just look at, you can see my poses. You can take my book where everything I've explained even about diabetes and what kind of asanas you should do और कैसे करने हैं. Step by step it is there, right? I hope very first day we talk about my book, Never Visit a Doctor. This is completely on yoga. So please take that and do it. So Setubandhasana, let me not waste time because these are little difficult ones. Sarvangasana होता है. So Sarvangasana में you have to take entirely your legs up. पूरे ऊपर लेके जाने हैं. Let me just show you this. Just for the sake of showing, I'm showing या आप नहीं करेंगे. All right? Let us see. So that we can quickly go to pranayamas. All right. So you have to take your legs up. धीरे से ऊपर लेना है. ये सलभासना होता है, which is very good. In one of the days I will tell you for which it is very good. Okay. फिर धीरे से ऊपर लेना है. हाथों को पीछे लगाना है. And this is how you will be making. Rest completely. फिर धीरे से छोड़ते हुए आना है. Like this, slowly you'll be releasing the pose. So that is the reason I told you, let us not go into advanced levels. Just do the easy ones, which you will be able to do. Okay? Sarvangasana, Halasana. Halasana is again all the more difficult, wherein you take your legs completely back. So here I am not showing the show, right? So you can just check that. In one of the days we can show you also later, right? Main thing is, like these three are difficult ones, as I told you: Sarvangasana, Halasana, Dhanurasana. People who can do. People who have been doing and can do, please add this into your diabetes practice. Then Shavasana. Shavasana to bhaiya everyone loves. Just lie down the way you want, relaxed position mein. And then the guidance which is there, which tells you focus. I'll try to make it today. आज मैं आपको Shavasana करवाने की कोशिश करूंगी. Let me see the time. Okay, 8:11. Great. So I'll make you do Shavasana at the end, right? That may be kind of a meditation also, but for diabetes meditation is a different meditation, as I told you in an NHM series, which in a written format I have mentioned in the book, but when you have to listen to it and then you do, that's a different issue altogether, right? Karela khana hai aapko every day. I think I missed that out. Bitter gourd. You must be consuming bitter gourd, at least 3 to 4 times a week. Add that in any form. Make a juice. Every day morning, if you take a juice like a medicine, fantastic. Start doing that. You will see a great result, guys. Okay? तो चलिए पहले थोड़ा सा प्राणायाम कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद लास्ट में we'll keep 10 minutes for Shavasana. Okay? So ready? Let's sit for pranayama. We'll do Anulom Vilom today. We have been already doing, but this is what is very important for your 5-6 pranayamas are main. They help you for almost every disease. Okay, so start your Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom shuru karte hain. I've already told you how to do it. I'm not wasting time today. So let us straight away start your practice. Inhale deeply from you can sit in the cross-legged position. Okay, inhale deeply from one nostril. Exhale from the other. Now inhale from the nostril that you exhale. जिससे आपने सांस छोड़ी है, अब उससे inhale करना है, लेकिन दूसरी नाक को बंद रखना है. Hold the breath and exhale. as I mentioned yesterday also, I've been mentioning every day, Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shuddhi, do slow as possible. You will intake, the intake of oxygen will be more and more, it will increase. ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा मात्रा में अंदर जाएगी, लंबी गहरी सांस खींच के उसको रोक लेना है. Right. Hold and exhale. Now inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए. जब रोकते हैं तो जिस नाक से आपने सांस ली है उसे रोक लेना है, उसे बंद कर लेना है. ओके, नाउ एक्सहेल, दूसरी से छोड़िए. नाउ इनहेल, होल्ड and exhale. Now inhale, hold and exhale. 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 Great. तो ये तो ही नाड़ी शुद्धि की बात, अनुलोम विलोम की बात. If you want to cleanse your nose, nostrils, then you can do faster. Okay? All right. Now let us do Kapalbhati. People who will not do Kapalbhati will continue with Anulom Vilom. But as I told you, having diabetes should practice this for 10 to 15 rounds or 20 rounds daily. That will not aggravate their acidity. Okay? All right, start. Inhale deeply. सांस रोकिए and exhale heavily. Take your tummy in, take your belly in. So belly will blow out and go in. When you inhale out, exhale in. Come on. Great guys, do. Yes. Great. करते रहिए. And you will feel dryness in your throat. That should happen. वो dryness आपको throat में लगनी चाहिए. मतलब you are doing correctly. It is helping. It is activating what you need in your body. So what I suggested, you should take a sip of water, just a small sip, a very short sip. Okay. All right. Let's do the second round of Kapalbhati quickly. Faster version करते हैं. Okay. Start. When you do Kapalbhati, you will lose inches around your waist also. Relax, relax, relax. You should feel the heaviness around your chest, in your upper abdomen, upper back, and neck. This should happen. It's quite natural. डोंट गेट स्केयर्ड, अब घबराइएगा नहीं कि मुझे चेस्ट के आसपास हल्का सा पेन हो रहा है, पेट के आसपास थोड़ा सा, चेस्ट के नीचे पेन हो रहा है, या मुझे गर्दन में हल्की सी खिंचावट महसूस हो रही है, या फिर मुझे कंधों में थोड़ा सा पेन हो रहा है, ये होगा, ये क्वाइट नेचुरल है व्हेन यू स्टार्ट. सो डोंट लीव इट, छोड़िएगा मत बीच में, धीरे धीरे करिए, धीरे धीरे, वेरी स्लोली do it. Don't jump to the faster version immediately, right? Practice it for about 15 days, 20 days, 21 days, for a month, and then go to the faster versions. Okay? All right. We are not doing any such pranayama or asana which will, you know, create any problem to you. Even if you are on medications and all, you can always, you know, consult your doctor, but still, we are doing very simple versions, right? So this is how we normally do. We have been doing pranayamas every day. Let us do Shavasana today, dedicated to diabetes. All right. So can I request everyone to lie down? Yes, everyone can lie down. And I will simply guide. I will not lie down, otherwise मैं खुद सो जाऊंगी. So you all can lie down in the relaxed position. Spread your legs straight. You can don't be stiff. है ना, बॉडी को स्टिफ नहीं करना, रिलैक्स छोड़ना है. हैंड्स जैसे चाहे साइड में डाल दीजिए, पैरों को जैसे चाहे फैला लीजिए, the way you want to lie down, but straight, huh? On your back. Don't turn left or right, just straight आपको लेट जाना है. Please lie down with your eyes closed. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. Vivek, can I just use mic? Achha, I think my voice is enough today. My voice is good enough, so let me just right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So आंखें बंद कर लीजिए, सीधे लेट जाइए. Just lie down straight and focus on, listen to me what I'm saying, and just do that, focus that. Okay. Deep breath in. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. आप सांस को छोड़िए. फिर से लंबी सांस लीजिए. I hope you all are ready on your beds, wherever it is, or a yoga mat, जहां पर भी आप वहीं लेट जाइए. Very good, great. Please inhale deeply and exhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. सांस छोड़िए. फिर से एक लंबी सांस लीजिए. सांस को छोड़िए. आपका ध्यान अपनी सांसों पर रहे. Your focus should be on your breaths. कि सांसें आपकी सब कुछ हैं आपके जीवन में. Your breaths are your best friend. Inhale deeply and exhale. Now take your attention to your feet. अपना ध्यान अपने पैरों पर लेके जाइए. Take your attention to your feet. बंद आंखों से अपने ध्यान को अपने पैरों की उंगलियों पर लगाइए. Relax, 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 relax your feet. अपने पैरों को आराम दीजिए. अपना ध्यान अपने पैरों पर रखिए. Your focus should be on your feet. Relax, relax, relax. Relax. Now, shift your attention to your ankle. अपने एंकल पर अपना ध्यान लगाइए. Relax. 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 Relax your ankles. Relax your ankles. Relax your ankles. Now, shift your attention to your calves. अब थोड़ा सा ऊपर आइए और अपने पैरों पर, जो घुटने के नीचे का हिस्सा है, calves पर अपना ध्यान केंद्रित कीजिए. Focus your attention on your calves. Focus your attention on your calves. Yes. Relax. 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 Relax your calves. Relax your calves. Relax. 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 Now shift your attention to your knees. अपना ध्यान अपने घुटनों पर लगाइए. धीरे से ऊपर आइए. अपना ध्यान अपने घुटनों पर लगाइए. Focus your attention on your knees. Imagine करिए कि आप उन्हें रब कर रहे हैं, मसाज कर रहे हैं, प्यार से सहला रहे हैं. Relax, relax, relax. Every cell of your body near me is getting relaxed, activated. Relax, relax, relax. Now, shift your attention to your thighs. अब अपना ध्यान अपनी जांघों पर लगाइए. Your attention on your thighs. Relax. 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 Now slowly shift your attention to lower abdomen and the area around. अब अपना ध्यान अपने पेट के निचले हिस्से पर केंद्रित कीजिए. Relax, 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 relax. Now shift your attention to the upper abdomen. अपने पेट पर, नाभि के आसपास के एरिया पर अपना ध्यान केंद्रित कीजिए. Relax, 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 relax. Every internal part of your body is getting relaxed. उसे आराम मिल रहा है. वो स्वस्थ हो रहा है. वो संपूर्ण रूप से स्वस्थ हो रहा है. It is getting healed. Relax. Now shift your attention to your chest area. अब अपना ध्यान अपने चेस्ट पर लगाइए. Focus your attention on your chest and imagine your heart अपने हार्ट को, अपने दिल को अंदर इमेजिन कीजिए, उसे थपथपाइए, उसे जरा सहलाइए, उसे जरा प्यार कीजिए। पैम्पर योर हार्ट, पैम्पर योर चेस्ट। देखिए कितने अच्छे से आपका हार्ट पंप हो रहा है, कितनी परफेक्ट तरीके से आपका हार्ट पंप हो रहा है। रिलैक्स, 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 रिलैक्स। Now move a little up, come to the shoulder area, focus on both the shoulders, back, upper back, hands. Now focus on your upper back and shoulders alone. अपने कंधों पर और अपने कमर के ऊपर के हिस्से पर ध्यान दीजिए, ध्यान केंद्रित कीजिए। आराम महसूस कीजिए। रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स। All the nerves, internal nerves are getting relaxed. They're completely relaxed. They're fully ready to do anything you want from them. Relax, 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 relax. Now shift your attention to your neck. अपना ध्यान अपने गर्दन पर लगाइए, अपना ध्यान अपने गर्दन पर लगाइए। Your thyroid gland will get activated, will get relaxed, will be happy. Just imagine as if you are, pampering your apple inside your throat. आप उसे सहला रहे हैं। Relax, 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 relax. Now shift your attention to the entire face area. सारा attention आप अपने face area पर लेके जाइए. Focus on your skin, on your face, eyes, nose, ear, forehead. Relax, relax. Every cell in your skin is getting relaxed. Relaxed, 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 relaxed. Relax your hands. Relax your hands. Just focus your attention on your entire arm, hand, fingers. Relax, 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 relax. Now focus your attention on the head, upper head, crown. Focus your attention on your upper head, crown. Pamper it. Slowly, slowly. And relax. Calm down. Relax. 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 Every cell in the entire body has relaxed by now. उसे आपने आराम दिया है, अपने हर सेल को रिजनरेट किया आपने. You are relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. Now, slowly, slowly open your eyes. Just open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. एंड धीरे से लेफ्ट तरफ करवट बदलते हुए बैठ जाइए. Sit straight now. Because of the lack of time, हमें थोड़ा जल्दी करना पड़ा है. As I told you, आधा पौना घंटा इसी में निकल जाता है. It's really very good if you do this. It helps you like anything. And we don't get up after that. हम थोड़ी देर सोते रहते हैं. 10-15 मिनट उसके बाद सोते रहते हैं. तो I think we should start. Can I request you to really unmute everyone? Thank you. And I'll remove the mic also. I will remove mic, Vivek. Thank you so much. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much. Anyone wants to ask any questions?
Kishore, can I ask a question?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Sapna, yeah. You mentioned about green tea and all of that. I mean, but there are people like me who prefer coffee a lot, the black coffee. So how does that impact? I mean, there are so many things that we keep hearing about coffee not being good for health and stuff like that. So what's your take on that? What if we don't have green tea and we're having a lot of coffee? Does it impact in some way?
See, no, if you take black coffee and also caffeine also has some, I mean, there is some positive, but some negative also simultaneously. As long as you're taking black tea, like I do that, black tea, black coffee, that is fine. But I say simultaneously, you should also take the intake of green tea. Because I take black tea with just honey or lemon put in between. So I take about 2 to 3 times a day. So you can do that, and same black coffee also. But I want to avoid with the milk, anything which has milk, completely avoid that. With coffee and tea. But otherwise, I say you should consume milk with turmeric. So every day we should do that. हम पीते हैं daily in the morning. I take a small cup with maybe आजकल तो कच्ची हल्दी मिलती है. So with the turmeric and all, you just use a little bit of ginger also and boil it for about 10-15 minutes and take it. It will help morning and in the night just before sleeping. Just छोटा सा cup. I'm not saying big, just like we have the small cup like tea and all. So take that, and trust me, all the skin diseases will go away. You don't need anything else.
You're not told about
Thank you.
Aloe vera and garlic.
Yeah, I have to repeat once again.
You're not told about aloe vera and garlic.
कितनी बातें बताएं जो यहाँ पर there are many things which I have mentioned in my book also, right? But garlic, a lot of people don't take. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो जैन हैं, other pure Brahmins, they don't take. तो इसलिए मैंने उसकी बात नहीं करी. Otherwise कच्चा 1 clove अगर आप ले लेते हैं early morning without anything, just with the warm water, 1 clove of garlic, that will help you a lot. So there are many things, but due to the shortage of time and looking at what kind of viewers I'm dealing with, so we have spoken about it.
About aloe vera, I tell tomorrow.
Yes. एलोवेरा के पेड़ मेरे घर में भरे हुए हैं डॉक्टर अशोक. आई हैव अ लॉट, और मैं कटिंग करके उसका छोटा सा गुद्दा ऐसे चम्मच से निकाल करके ले लेती हूँ. बट एवरी डे व्हाट ऑल विल यू टेक? सो अल्टरनेट डेज इज व्हाट वी कैन डू. आज ये लिया, कल वो लिया. खाली पेट इफ यू टेक, वेरी गुड. आई मीन इफ यू टेक एम्प्टी स्टमक without anything, yuck, taste yuck hoga, but please take it. It's very, very good for health.
For your long hair, you are not applying aloe vera pulp, no?
Sorry? Doctor, I told you कि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं यहाँ पे, but people will certainly get confused. तो छोटी सी चीजें हमने लिए, 1 घंटे में हम क्या क्या करें. So you can always talk to me 1-to-1. All right. Thank you.
सुना दिया हमको.
हाँ जी.
बॉडी में स्टिफनेस थी, उसको इतना कस के पकड़ा पूरा और रिलैक्स किया और सो ही गया.
Yes.
Really.
Yes, for Shavasana.
It was so good. It was very nice. I remembered my earlier days when I used to stiffen my entire body.
Yes.
And just let it go, as if you're just sinking away.
Yes.
That's when you just go back into a very deep sleep.
Yes.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
ऐसी चीज है, it will let you go many diseases from your body when your brain is sync with it. जो वो कमांड देता है, every disease can get out because every disease comes into our body through our brain only. ये माइंड ही है जो लेके आता है, और यही माइंड है जो भगा सकता है. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sapna.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Nice to see you, Nilima.
Yeah. No, she said last countdown 5 days. So I said, "Abhi to shakal dikha do mujhe."
Seems like I was doing you very good.
Friends, it has been sorry. Friends, it has been a very refreshing session, and I request our new member to our club, but he's a Rotarian for many years. He's a great environmentalist, very innovative businessman who started the concept of home compost. So I request now our friend Lalit Vasisht to give the vote of thanks. Lalit ji, please.
Thank you, Kishore ji. Respected Kishore ji, most valuable invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's really a pleasure to offer this vote of thanks.
Just focus on Lalit ji. Request you to focus on Lalit ji.
He's been focused, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, Lalit, please go ahead.
Yeah. So on the occasion of a yoga camp organized by the Bombay Sea Coast, India is, I was reading yesterday, we have 77 million diabetes patients and we are second highest, being next to China, which is 114 million people. And India is supposed to be 134 million in next 25 years. We don't do anything about it. Well, Bombay Sea Coast, congratulations for starting to do something about it. This is a lifestyle disease, and the good news is that the type 2 diabetes can be managed very well with a good, healthy way of living. And today's workshop is definitely a step towards that. I joined the club in October, I think, and I've seen a lot of blend of fellowship, music, fun, social work. You know, it's a vibrant club. And this yoga camp was a very unique idea. Yoga camp in the pandemic times is a very welcome event, Sapna and Kishore ji. Sapna is the most talented health and fitness instructor. I have read her book. She's taking us through this journey of looking inwards with her meditation, pranayamas, asanas, and which are very good and helpful to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Her unique study on mudra I should definitely bring forward to balance the body doshas, which I read in her book, intrigued me to study more, and I'm still studying on this subject. It's very fascinating that what you can do just by, pressing fingers and taking in different mudras. Sapna, I think you will continue to be our guide. She's unfolding the treasures of yoga with every passing day, from simple to very slightly different poses. I should mention the deep dedication shown by our President Kishore Basurkar ji to make this workshop a huge success. The proof is that members from across the district who are attending consistently. Ladies and gentlemen, such an event cannot happen overnight. So much effort has gone into structuring this workshop. Success of an event is always because of the team. And Sapna, kudos to you for your unstinted efforts to meet this goal. A big hand of applause to the team doing the FB lives, posters I'm seeing every day on Facebook.
Vivek.
Yeah, the support. Yeah. Thanks, Vivek. And thank you, Rotary, to bring communities together and also work towards a healthy society. We'll hope that many other clubs will take up similar projects for the society. I cannot thank everyone who has participated today with their willingness to complete this workshop, but I will emphasize that you all should complete this workshop. These are just the last few days. And I know, like I heard today through the day, that Sapna is going to reveal some more gems and therapies. So don't you miss those. I once again wholeheartedly thank each and everyone for coming here this morning. Looking forward to see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lalit. As you rightly said, Sapna is a big asset to our club, and she is a real health guru and wellness coach in every sense. Every time if you need anything, she always says for our Rotarians, she is always there to see that Rotarians' health is always remains fit. So anytime you can contact her one-to-one also, that's what she always mentions here. Tomorrow will be, and I mean, one more thing, you mentioned about Mudra. She is also expert in Reiki, from where this whole thing started. Our DG, when we met him, he first told her that I want a course on Reiki from you for entire district. And from there, then the second wave started and all, and we could not do that full Reiki course. We wanted a full Reiki course for the entire district. Of course, I don't know when the second, I mean, when it will materialize. But then we thought, let us have this yoga course, you know. So thank you, Lalit, for your kind compliments. So I thank you, everyone. So we'll meet tomorrow. And tomorrow is, I think Sapna will take BP, right? Blood pressure, or I mean, more.
We'll see that, maybe insomnia.
See that, but you know, basically we will go by one ailment which mostly affects us in this pandemic area. So we will go by that. And the
insomnia is a good idea.
Sorry?
Mujhe neend na aaye haye.
ललित की तो गाने फेमस हो गए हैं सब जगह पे आजकल. So nice to see you all, and I will meet you tomorrow at 7:30. And let's remain fit. Let's also do practice in the evening with we all recorded things on our Facebook. Please visit our Facebook and practice. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sapna. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just one question. Is it also available on YouTube?
I'm posting on YouTube one by one. So once the workshop is over, after that we'll share that.
I don't have access to Facebook, so I just thought of the request.
Okay, so YouTube, yeah, YouTube I'm putting, but once the workshop is over, I've just put 3 videos there. The first 3 videos, 3-4 videos. So one by one, we are posting there.
If the Facebook is shared for public, anyone can access it.
Yes.
Remember.
I don't have accounts, Facebook account.
So YouTube, you can actually see on Sapna Yofit we have put. So you can go there. Sapna Yofit is my YouTube channel, so you can just see there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice.
Bye.